Welcome to our manufacturing facility. Spanning thousands of square meters, we utilize premium steel coils and automated production lines to engineer traffic safety infrastructure solutions. Our high-speed roll forming process precisely delivers high-strength guardrails, fully customized to AASHTON or your local standards. Quality is built into every step. Following deep acid pickling, the steel undergoes hot dip galvanizing at 450 degrees Celsius to form a lifetime anti-corrosion armor. Rapid water cooling and eco-friendly passivation follow, shielding the zinc layer against white rust before shipment. Our internal lab conducts strict final inspections to guarantee 100% compliance. We understand tight project schedules. Backed by massive raw material reserves, we guarantee reliable lead times. From deep technical drawing reviews to reinforced ocean freight packaging, our international team delivers a seamless, hassle-free B2B sourcing experience. Partner with a factory that values quality as much as you do. Contact us today, and let's build safer roads together.